In a pointed warning that's already making waves in political circles, former President Barack Obama has stepped into the heated battle over redistricting in Texas, calling Republican-led efforts to redraw congressional maps a systematic assault on democracy. Today we break down what Obama said, why it matters, and how this fight could shape America's political landscape. At the heart of the standoff is a controversial redistricting push in Texas. Republican lawmakers are aiming to tweak congressional boundaries in a way that could secure them up to 5 additional U.S. House seats. Democrats argue these maps unfairly dilute their voters' influence, either by packing them into fewer districts, or cracking communities across multiple districts to weaken their political power. In a 30-minute private Zoom call with Texas House Democrats obtained by CNN, Obama praised their stand against the GOP's mid-decade map changes. Quote, "We can't let a systematic assault on democracy just happen and stand by." He pointed to California and other states now exploring ways to counterbalance these changes before the 2026 midterms. Obama also said he'd prefer redistricting be handled by independent commissions, ensuring both parties compete fairly. Obama's comments went beyond just redistricting. Without mentioning Donald Trump by name, he warned about broader threats. From voter suppression to undermining election results, the politicization of justice, and even what he called the militarization of cities. His message was clear: American democracy isn't self-sustaining. It requires constant defense. This precious democracy is not a given. It requires us to fight for it. Republicans in Texas say the redistricting effort is about fairness, adjusting for population shifts and keeping communities together. With Democrats signaling they may soon end their standoff, the GOP is poised to pass the Trump-backed maps quickly. This fight isn't just about Texas. Redistricting battles are underway across the country, and the results will influence control of Congress. Obama is expected to keep pressing the issue, including at upcoming fundraisers for the National Democratic Redistricting Committee. As the maps are redrawn and the political lines shift, one thing is certain: the battle over who gets to decide them is far from over. And with both sides digging in, this fight over democracy's foundation is just beginning. What do you think? Is this protecting democracy or politics as usual? Let us know in the comments below.